As a service provider, you may want to add additional users to your account to assist you with completing jobs, managing the schedule, or invoicing clients. Add each member of your team in a few simple steps. Please keep in mind that only admin users may add new users to the account. To add a user to your service provider account, click Users on the left navigation bar. Then, click the Invite button on the top right-hand corner. Make sure to complete all the required fields, and finally, choosing your user role. You can choose between admin or staff. Admin users are given full access to your account, while staff can view, start, and complete jobs assigned to them. Once you've entered all the relevant information, click Invite, and the user will receive an invitation via email. And that's it, 4 quick steps to add a user to your account.